What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on in the shop this week. We're going to start outside with this Mercedes-Benz GLE, and this car got paint protection on the hood and the bumper. Blake is out here just doing some final touch-up work on that. Hey, we coat airplanes too. We're right by the airport. If you know anybody that has a plane, or maybe you have a plane, you should ceramic coat it. It helps keep it clean. Got a Scion TC. This one's getting paint protection film on the front end, on the partial hood and fenders. That'll be getting done this afternoon. We have a Jeep Gladiator. This one's here for a ceramic coating. We've got the Gladiator and the Ranger. Both of those are heading in this afternoon for ceramic. Jimmy's got his car back. He traded in his 944 and got his Volkswagen back, so he's pretty excited about that. And we've got the TDI Cup Edition Jetta. This was here last week, I believe. We retinted a couple of windows on it that another shop did. We installed paint protection film on the front end. We polished underneath there. We're gonna be doing a full paint correction on the car and a ceramic coating on it as well, and a full interior detail. This is one of our company work vans. We tint a lot of houses and commercial buildings, and this thing is always out on the road doing that. So it's here today. Okay guys, this is a super exciting car. This is a Tesla Model S Plaid, which if you know anything about that, you know that this is the fastest production car in the world right now. Faster than Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Bugattis, you name it, this is the king. Runs a 9.2 second quarter mile. We just did a reaction video on this. Check it out on our channel if you haven't seen it. We all piled in it and went for a quick ride, and holy cow, it is by far the fastest thing I've ever been in. Unbelievable car. Anyhow, it's here for window tint and paint protection film on the front end. Both of those things are done. It's getting a ceramic coating early next week. One of our loaner cars, it's here. It's usually out as well. So if you're getting paint protection, ceramic coating, things like that, you can have access to our loaner car for free. You don't have to rent a car while we have yours. There goes my jet. They're just testing it out for me for tomorrow. I'm going somewhere. Got a Dodge Charger. The back section of that one got tinted. Terrell's looking that over as we speak. In the tint bay, we've got Dean, who's done tinting houses for the day. And Marshall, they're working on tinting the windshield of this Lexus RX 450. We've got some cool cars inside here too. We've got an Audi RS7. This is our good friend Ron's car. This is actually the first car we ever did a full PPF wrap on many years ago. So it's back. We replaced a piece on the rocker panel just because it had some damage, and we also gave it a ceramic coating, so it got the XPEL Fusion coating. We have an interesting ceramic coating project. Got Christian Louboutin shoes. These are getting coated today. And in the wash bay, we've got a BMW X5. This car has a full paint protection film wrap and a ceramic coating, so it's here for its annual inspection, where basically we go over the car, wash it, make sure everything's performing well. As you can see, it is. The water is beating off nicely. It's also got tint all the way around, and we're doing a full interior detail. This truck is also here for a ceramic coating inspection. This is, I think, 1 year since we did this truck. Caleb is in the process of ceramic coating this Mach 1. It got paint protection film installed on the front end, as well as window tint earlier in the week. It'll be ready to go home probably tomorrow. Jimbo, what you working on?
Two-stage paint correction.
Sweet.
I'm finishing the polishing now. Be done today.
Sweet. So this one's going home. Paint was all micro-scratched and swirl marked, and now it's not. C8 Corvette. We've worked on a ton of these things. Most of them get full wraps, I feel like. This one's no exception. So all the way around with XPEL, ceramic coating on top. I believe we're tinting the windows as well. Wrap is done, just getting final look over right now. We'll get it cleaned up and get it coated. And last but not least, another full wrap. This one is on a new Cadillac Escalade. This is the extended wheelbase version of it. Wrapping it all the way around, top to bottom. That roof is enormous, by the way. We tinted it all the way around, including the full windshield. It's getting a ceramic coating as well. Our friend Josh from Snap-on brought us his R6. We did paint protection on the front end of it. So all of the orange pieces, those had to all be custom made. There's no patterns for it. So this piece, the fender, and the fairings on the side are all protected with XPEL. And out front, we've got a GT500 that should look familiar. This car was here a couple of weeks ago, and we wrapped the whole thing and ceramic coated it. And the reason it's back is the owner took the car to the track. That's why he bought it. It took some abuse at that track weekend. The hood got some nasty marks in it that weren't coming out of the film. One of them actually punctured the film, but that means the film did its job. We removed it. It saved the paint underneath it. We put a new piece of paint protection on there, and it solved that problem. So we did a separate video on what happens to your car after a weekend at the track with this car. You guys should check it out. Scratch that. That video will be coming out soon, so then I guess you have to subscribe to the channel so you get an alert when that happens. So thank you guys very much for watching. We will see you next week. Let us know what you think about what's going on in the shop. And if you like seeing these behind the scenes videos, see you next week.